Long ago, there lived a reputed merchant in a village who was blessed with a son after many years of his marriage. Son's name was Chandra, whose every wish was fulfilled by his parents and family members. Time flew by. Chandra became a young man who never lacked anything in life. So his outlook towards life was different, and at the same time, his father had established his business with hard work. It was evident to merchant from Chandra's behavior that he did not know importance of fruits of hard work. Even after merchant asked his son to join his business, he would never go to work. After deep contemplation, the businessman decided that he himself would teach Chandra the importance of the fruits of hard work, even if he has to be tough for that. One day, he called his son and all family members in central hall of his home. Then he said to Chandra in serious voice, "You have not contributed to my business at all, and from now on you will be given food only when you can give money for that food." After this, he said to all family members, "No one will help Chandra, nor would he be given any food without money." Family members did not like merchant's decision. Merchant himself felt bad for being so strict with his only son, but he was determined for the sake of his son's future. First day, Chandra went to one of his family members and took money from them and gave that money to his father to get food. In merchant's house, there was a well. When Chandra told his father that he had bought money for food, his father asked him to throw that money in well. Chandra found it strange, but still he threw that money in well without hesitation and happily ate his food. Some days went by. Merchant understood that family is helping him, so he asked family members strictly to not provide Chandra with money or food even if he asked. Now Chandra went to all family members one by one, but everyone refused to give him money. Merchant had a good reputation in village, and everyone knew about his son. So Chandra went to one of his father's friend and asked for money. Friend gave Chandra money. Chandra gave that money to his father, and as always, his father told him to throw that money into well. Chandra threw that money into well without hesitating. When merchant got to know all that, he asked his friends to not give any money to Chandra for free. If they want to help him, then they can ask him to work and in return give him money. Next day, no one gave money to Chandra, and half day passed like this. Chandra was going from place to place to ask for money. Old man in the village saw this. He called Chandra and asked what happened. Chandra told him desperately, "I need some money." Old man replied, "I can give you money, but for that you have to work." Seeing no other option, Chandra agreed. He worked hard till dawn. When work was completed, the old man gave him money. That day, he reached to his father in evening, tired from all day long work. He gave money to his father and asked for food. As always, his father ordered him to throw that money into the well. But this time, Chandra could not accept that, and he replied, "Father, I earned this money by doing such hard work, and in a moment you asked me to throw it in well." Crying, he said to his father, "I cannot throw this money into well." Hearing this, merchant understood that today his son has understood what hard work and its fruits mean in life. Learnings from this story. Merchant had enough money that his future generations could have lived off that money without doing any hard work. But if today businessman had not taught his son importance of hard work, then one day next generation of merchant would have cursed him. It is a responsibility of parents to make their children aware of the reality of life.